John Prineas, Executive Chairman at St George Mining, thank you for joining us. We heard yesterday from BHP Nickel West boss Eddie Hagel that they've transformed their customer base as far as nickel output goes. A couple of years ago, none of it went to the battery market. Now about 75% of their nickel goes to the battery market. What does it mean for nickel explorers, nickel sulfide explorers like St George?
Yeah, no, it's a wonderful market development. Stainless steel demand is still growing, but the big structural change is coming from the electric vehicle market. So we're seeing big demand for nickel sulfide, which is the nickel that you can most easily transform into nickel sulfate for batteries. We don't know what the penetration rate of electric vehicles is going to be going forward, but it's certainly starting to take hold. And the fact that Nickel West is selling most of its production to battery manufacturers is a really positive sign for all the Western Australian producers and highly prized discoveries like ours.
And you mentioned highly priced discoveries. Tell us a bit about St George's Mount Alexander project, sort of in the Leonora region in the Northern Goldfields.
Yeah, no, it's a terrific project. We've got high-grade mineralisation starting 30 metres below surface. We're talking 6% nickel, 3% copper, cobalt and PGEs as well. So it's very valuable mineralisation, more than 40% more valuable than normal nickel sulfides. It's in the Tier 1 jurisdiction of Australia and just south of the Agnew-Wiluna belt. So we know we can tap into the existing infrastructure and develop this project.
And you've got rigs drilling at the moment, so we should be expecting quite a bit of news flow over coming weeks.
Yeah, we've definitely made the discovery up there. We know there's going to be a mine. It's just a matter of drilling this resource out and seeing how big it's going to be. We have a diamond rig up there at the moment testing 42 electromagnetic conductors. We've drilled over 51 already and proven to be nickel sulfide mineralisation. Our RC rig is coming in a couple of weeks as well, so we're really in full swing exploration up there.
And base metal prices fell sharply last night, but nickel was up. Do you think investors are starting to understand the connection between the LME nickel price for all intents and purposes and nickel's role in the battery world, where all the focus has been on lithium and cobalt?
Yeah, no, lithium and cobalt have had their day. They'll still be very strong, but nickel hasn't had a big run yet. It's about to have one now, I think. Nickel prices performed very well this year, but it's only a fraction of where it's going to be. Long-term forecasts are for above US $20,000 a tonne. We're not at $15,000 a tonne yet, so lots of upside, and we're starting to see it coming through.
John, we're diggers and dealers. It's a near record crowd of about 2,400 delegates. Gold price is flying, of course. Nickel is on the up. Lots of talk around nickel. What are the key takeaways for you? What's the mood like here?
It's a very good mood this year. The gold producers are making lots and lots of money, so very positive. And when someone else is making money, there's usually a lot of money around for other people as well. I think the second hottest commodity at the moment is nickel, so hopefully some of that gold money will come to our sector as well.
Thanks very much for your time, John.
Thank you.